Have you ever asked yourself how electricity travels from far away power stations all the way to your house? It is not magic. It is a powerful journey you need to understand. I am Sealight Electricity, and today I will break down step by step how electricity reaches your house and why sometimes it fails. Electricity starts from power stations like hydro dam, gas plants, or solar farm. These stations generate electricity. In Nigeria, most electricity comes from gas and hydro power stations. So now let me take it step by step. So the step one is from generation. Generation means in Nigeria we have gas and hydro power station. The next step, which is step 2, is transmission. After generation, electricity travels long distance through high voltage transmission lines. The voltage is increased so it can travel far without losing power. That is step 2. Step 3 is substations. Before electricity enters your area, it passes through a substation. This is where high voltage is reduced to a safer level. Step 4 is distribution. From the substation, electricity is sent to your neighborhood through distribution line. That small transformer on your street is very, very important. Step 5 is from the transformer to your house. The transformer reduces high voltage again to what your home can safely use. From there, electricity enters your house through service wires. Step 6, meter. So before electricity can enter your house, it passes through your meter. That is if you are metered. Passes through your meter. This is what records how many units you consume. Let's go back to the final flow summary. From one stage to the other. From generation to transmission. From transmission to substations. From substations to distribution. From distribution passing through the service wire to your house, to your meter, from your meter to your house, and then you enjoy your supply. Now, why does electricity fail sometimes? Let me just give you this as a by the way. Now that you understand, if anything goes wrong along the line from generation, transmission, distribution down to your house, power will fail. That is why in Nigeria, sometimes something is always wrong from the generation network down to your house. If you learned something new today, share this video with someone who always complains about electricity. Please comment like if you now understand how electricity reaches your house. In my next video, I will show you why your electricity bill is always high. Don't miss